Who, according to you, should be coming to take food from here? Poor, homeless, or so-called ghattis? During the pandemic, our Goan locals used to take food from here. Hello friends, welcome back to Signature Turned Autograph. I am Aaron Dias, founder and CEO of Signature Turned Autograph, MC by hobby and student by profession. So let's start with today's video. This story is about that person who has placed a fridge in the heart of the city of Panjim for the homeless and needy. He is the person who featured in the top 50 most influential people of 2020. Yes, he is no other than founder of Panjim Food Bank, Rinton D'souza. Rinton was born in Rwanda. He did his schooling at Rosaries High School. He loved music from childhood. When he reached Xavier's College for bachelor's degree, he started hanging out with friends like DJ Jewel and gaining knowledge about this industry. During this time, he lost his dad. To support his mother and small sister, he dropped out from college. He started by playing for small parties. After a few years, he left for Dubai and worked there as a resident DJ for 3 years. Not getting the Goan feel, he returned back to Goa. In 2020, Rinton planned to set up a cafe near Azad Maidan, Panjim. This was the time he saw many poor people around his cafe literally eating from the garbage bins. This was the touching point in his life. Soon the country was hit with his first lockdown. His cafe was shut down as well as the entertainment industry was on a halt. Rinton realized the crisis the common people are going through and started the process of setting up the food bank. After necessary permissions, a good location and required equipment, finally 20th October 2020, the Panjim Food Bank was set up. Who, according to you, should be coming to take food from here? Poor, homeless, or so-called ghattis? During the pandemic, our Goan locals used to take food from here. When you and I were wasting food in our plates, there were people with no food in their plates. When you and I were grumbling over veg or non-veg, there were people with no choice but to sleep empty stomach. Do we know what is hunger? The fridge which Rinton has set up, till today they never switched it on. Just because when he drops the food and takes a turn with his car, there is no food left. All packets are over. That is hunger. You know what hurts the most? Rinton uses aluminium foil containers so the hungry are comfortable while eating. There are people criticizing him for using that, saying the hungry litter the roads here and there. If you can't donate, please don't criticize. If you can't help, then please keep your mouth shut. No problem. For the past 2 years, Rinton and his mom cooks food and drops it at the Panjim Food Bank. The same food items which they eat are prepared for the hungry. Rinton does it every day and not dependent on anyone. Rinton also runs Big Feed Bowl, a cafe providing only healthy food. Every year, Rinton does one event where certain percent of the profits of every order that Big Feed Bowl gets is used to help the needy. You can check out Rinton's social media account for the next event. Looking at his good work, Zomato Feeding India offered him to head their Goa chapter. But Rinton felt it won't provide any special benefits for the hungry, so he didn't accept the offer. Rinton is a professional DJ for the past 20 years. He has also been part of F1 Race Abu Dhabi, Sunburn Goa and many more. He also provides training to young DJs. If any of you all want to start such food bank initiative in your village, then Rinton is ready to help you all with legal formalities. Rinton's food bank is placed at his friend's shop, Shamsuddin and Company, near Panjim Church Square. So this was the story of DJ Rinton D'souza. You can also check out my other videos like the story of Rinton D'souza, first Goan HIV patient, Dr. Pramod Sawant, current CM of Goa, and so on. Do you know anyone who has worked hard to achieve success? Or who is working for the betterment of society? Or do you have any love story to share like Nitesh Prajapat and Dimple Palmer? Or would you like to say thank you to your closed ones for all their efforts? Then you are free to contact us. गोरिबांक दिता ताका गरज पडची ना, पूण जो कोण आपले दोळे तांकां धाकतलो तो भिकेक पावतलो.
Only these people can tell you what hunger is really is. It's like for us, one day you don't eat, you're on a diet. For them, they are on a diet throughout the year, man. So it's a little difficult. So just and during this COVID, it's hit really bad for a lot of people here.